Hello, this is James Graff with Advisors Mortgage Group, and I'm here with a mortgage application checklist. In order to begin the mortgage process, we'll need you to bring copies of the following documents: driver's license and social security card or passport, 2 years tax returns with W-2s or 1099s, all pages, pay stubs covering the most recent 1 month period, bank statements covering the last 2 months, all pages, 2 months, 60 days, most recent statements for all investment accounts, such as 401ks, etc. Most recent mortgage statements for all properties, if applicable. 12 months canceled rent checks, if applicable. Real estate sales contract, if applicable. This has been James Graff with Advisors Mortgage Group, and you can reach me with any questions at 732-500-6883. Thanks. Have a great day.